this car. Super good.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, we're basically going to be doing this. You can see this thing is a full track bike. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, and turning it into this. It's gone from a track bike to a street legal bike. Here we go.
It's the same. Yes, man.
Hang on. There we go.
That's weird. Sorry, a bit so much.
Okay. So what we done today, we put the tail tidy on, cover on, hooked up the electrics, the side panels on, removed all the front fairing, put the other side panel on. Still got lots to do.
Okay.
Turn it sideways, yeah. Pull him there, put him in down vertical.
Yeah. That's in. That's in.
Yeah. Just hold this in place. I think it goes the other way. Oh wait, no. Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
Turn it on. It's on though, your running light's on. They just don't flash.
Hi, I'm Rookie Bobby.
And I'm Cal Naughton Jr.
We like to have a lot of laughs on the racetrack, but today we want to talk about something serious.
So before, when we started, to go up gear, we were turning this sprocket that way.
Yes.
So that sprocket that was up gear, up gear, up gear. Down gear, down gear, down gear. So that's how this gearbox is set up. Okay, so now we're gonna push this down to down gear. If we push this down, we're gonna pull that down gear. If we want to up gear, we're going to push it, and it's going to drive that rod that way, and it's going to go up gear, up gear. Change the push motion from a clockwise direction to make the push motion an anti-clockwise position. So by changing that lever arm, we've reversed the direction on the shaft. So we're not changing length, we're changing direction. See what I mean? again. Hey. So that was like that. Now we need it to be. Don't you think that's going to reach nicely? Okay, should we just maybe not tighten and give it a go?
Okay, well right now it's in neutral.
Up should be first gear.
Down should be first gear.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Then I should go up to 2. Well,
Neutral.
Neutral. Maybe it doesn't want to go into second off the bat. So should I go to first? Just let it go slightly to engage.
Up to neutral, up and then up to second. There we go.
Okay. Happy days.
So we remove this guy here.
Oh my god, those were tight, bro. Okay. It must be out now. Yeah. Yeah. Length. Basically solid, eh? Come on, boy. Boy. It's closed off.
It's closed off.
Nice. So we've got 2, 4, and then 5 under here. Have it. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. Maybe that's just. Ooh. I'll just feel around as you say. Yeah, it actually seems okay now.
Pop it.
Oh yeah. do you think?
If it's
Tape it up, girl. Tape it up, girl.
we're out of gear. There you go.
Boy.
Hey, what's going on? This is it. It's done. It doesn't seem like much, but it took a lot of effort. Little tricky, putting together a puzzle basically, with parts that were all over the show, but we finally came right. And this is essentially the reveal. Now we just need to make sure that it all works. So we're gonna take it just around the block. I need my gloves. Sounds so nice. Lost my glove. Also kind of waiting for the engine to warm up. Just going around the block. Nothing serious. So far everything's holding up, back brake's working. It's a lot of fun, but it's not comfortable. I don't like it. Is that the best time to change lanes, lady? That's not good. Looks like it needs oil. Looks like it's getting a bit too hot to run. Might need it to cool down a bit. So wait for it to cool down and we'll take it home. I'm not too far. Alright, we're back on the bike. It's cooled down a little bit. Let's just get this thing home.